Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. Gonna turn on this pet. And up she comes. Alright, so yesterday I did have I unboxed this SD card reader thing and I had trouble with it, so I texted the fellow I got it from, and he said something really important, and that is the SD card in? Well, I thought it was in. I really did. But it ends up that it was, it's kind of spring-loaded, which I did not know. So when I put it back in, after looking at it, I didn't really give it the little pop that was needed. Anyway, I did look, and there is some stuff on it, and I gotta try and find something that I found. Now this, yeah, what was it? Oh, okay. Well, that was brilliant. Don't hit the wrong key. Now I'll have to check and see. There, okay. This is something that, if it is what I think it is, I have not seen it in ages. And it's in. And indeed, it seems to be. Do you need an Android NIM? Do I need instructions? Oh, yes, I do. Hello. We are the executioners. Pick one of us, A, B, or C, to destroy as many androids from each row as you wish. Then it is our turn to play. The one who gets the last droid wins. Do you want to play first? No. We choose 3 androids from row A. Okay. I will go A. I will say 3. We choose 3 androids from row B. Okay. It is my turn. Well, I don't remember all the strategies. This I will say B. I will say 1. Okay, let's see here. If I take 1 from C, okay, I'll try C, C, 1. Oh, and I think I'm doomed. Yeah. Oh well, B, 1. Yes, this did not go well. From what I remember also, and maybe I need to load this into a machine that has the sound in it. This had cool sound. Would you like another game? No. Thank you for playing. Interesting. Very interesting. I wonder if I should try that again. Well, the other cool thing about this is you press break, clear the screen, you can watch it all go by. Oh, what is this? Oh, yeah. It's funny, the data in here. There is a limit to our patience, just as you're sitting there waiting. It does indeed say cute things. Anyway, what does the other data mean? I don't know. I just don't know. Anyway, so the SD reader thing that looks like a little miniature 4040 is working, and I will continue to explore it. I am wondering, like when I do some of this cataloging, a lot of numbers were coming up that seemed a little wonky. That means that maybe this pet still has troubles. Or maybe not. I don't know. Anyway, I guess those things are looking pretty okay. There's a lot of stuff on here. 65,535 blocks free. Well, that is quite something. Anyway, as I say, I have not. This is one of the first programs. This with these little dudes shaking their heads around that I ever saw. And I thought, wow, that is really cool. Graphics were incredible back in the day. They were. Anyway, I think I might readjust this pet a bit and get a better shot on the screen and see if I might win a game. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.